to discuss this assignment?
Hi Enda, I'm ready. It seems like others are ready too.
I'm ready too, but I haven't seen Vira join yet. I wonder where she is.
Yeah, it's not complete. I almost forgot we were discussing the achievement in a Zoom meeting.
Where's Vera? Does anyone know where she is?
I tried contacting her early but got no response.
Oh, there's Vira. Hey, why are you late joining?
Vira has joined. Luckily, we haven't started working on the assignment yet.
Hi guys, sorry I'm late. There was an issue when heavy rain suddenly flooded my house.
Oh my god. How are you now, Vera?
Oh no, Vera, are you okay now?
Vira, are you alright? Is your house safe now?
Hope you and your family are safe. How's the situation at your house now?
The weather has reset yet, but the rain has is a bit. Hopefully the weather will go down soon.
So sorry to hear that. Vera, was the flood very severe?
I'm really sorry to hear that. Hopefully the water will recede soon and your house will return to normal.
For you, hopefully the weather will reset soon.
Where are you now, Vira? Are you still at your home or have you evacuated to a flood shelter?
Thank you for your concern. Thankfully, the flood wasn't severe. Just a little water entered my house. Maybe the neighboring village experienced severe flooding because it lower in elevation than my area. I'm still at home now.
Well, that's a relief. Vera, I'm glad you are okay and it's not too severe.
Oh Vera, if you need any help, don't hesitate to ask. We'll definitely help.
Thank goodness, don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it, Vira.
Stay safe, Vira.
Thank you so much, guys. Just praying that the water receds soon and the rain stops so the water doesn't rise further.
Oh, I have an idea. How about we help Vera clean her house once the flood resides?
That's a great idea. I totally agree. What about the others?
Great idea, count me in.
I agree, but let's finish the assignment first.
Oh my God, you guys don't have to bother. There are some people at my house, so it might be finished quickly. Now, let's focus on this assignment, okay? It's more important.
Okay, Vira.